welcome to Mix of Tech, where I review technology for the consumer to prosumer, and I give my take on the things I see. Today we've got some breaking product news. We've got the Jeda SSD. It's their own SSD for Sentry Mode and Dashcam for my Teslas out there. Let's check it out and see what it's about. All right, guys, let's look at a new announced Jeda product. It's the Jeda SSD. So this is to complement, from what I can tell, the Jeda USB hub. I personally don't have it, but I am interested in looking at it, especially with me having an older Model Y that doesn't have this in their glove box. This is a good way to hide the SSD from anybody that might be trying to get the video. So this is going to be for your dash cam and for your Sentry cam. It's up to 256 gigs of solid state drive storage. So, the things about solid state, if you're not aware, it's going to not have any spin from disk. So it's going to offer you better longevity, less mean times between failure, and overall optimal performance of speed, both read and write. I use a flash drive with a micro SD card. It works, it gets the job done, but I do run the risk of it failing. Now it's better than running a disk or using an external hard drive that does spin. What's really cool in this is that they have this proprietary magnetic release. So that would be really nice to have a quick connect with the hub and be able to take it in and out of the car pretty quickly. I would actually appreciate that. And from what I can tell, it looks pretty easy with the hub, and it's kind of built pretty strong. I mean, it looks pretty solid based upon what they have here. Now, it's $145. It is 256 gigs of solid state drive. It uses USB-C, which is fantastic. And it also has a USB-A cable to USB-C for the magnetic plug. So this is a great option for those that are like me that have an older Model Y or Model 3 where the storage wasn't included. Now with the newer Model 3s and the new Model Ys, you can get this in your glove box, which is even more secure. And they already come with a proprietary Tesla drive. But this is great for your older owners. I'm really excited. I won't be purchasing it immediately just because I don't have the hub yet, but I do think that this might be something I purchase down the road. Well, that wraps up this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe.